Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, students. Today, our topic is for class 10th, that is coordinate geometry. In previous lecture, we have discussed the section formula. According to that section formula, we will do some questions here. One question is written on board. I will try to explain. I will explain you this question to you, all of you. Please take care while doing this question regarding that section formula. So our question is that find the ratio in which the line segment 1 a 1 comma minus 5 and b minus 4 comma 5 is divided by x-axis. We are having section formula. Section formula gives us the pointers. If a line AB is intersected by point C, we have to find the coordinates of this point. If it intersects it in a ratio, that is M1 is to M2. We are having ratio given, we are having these endpoints given, and we need to find the coordinates of this point x comma y. So it is given x1 y1, it is given x2 y2. So same question is here. We are having 2 points A and B into 2 different coordinates. They are intersected by this x-axis. I told you in very first lecture that coordinates of x-axis at x-axis y is 0, at y-axis x is 0. Got it? So this line AB is intersected by point x comma 0. So at this point at x-axis y is 0. So I have written here the point is x comma 0. You know that it is 0. So what we will do here, it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, and this is x and y. We don't know in which ratio it divides it. Got it? First of all, we will find the ratio, in which ratio it divides it. So here I have written, we don't know M1, we don't know M2, we are having x1 as 1, y1 minus 5, x1 y1, x2 minus 4, y2 5. So x is not given here because this line joining is intersected by x-axis. Got it? So y is here 0. Now I will take benefit of this y. Y is equivalent to 0. As you know, section formula is x is equivalent to m1 x2 plus m2 x1, so on. So I will take this part. Because x is not given here, y is equivalent to 0 here. Got it? So using section formula, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 is equivalent to y and divided by m1 plus m2. So we will put appropriate values into this formula. So m1 is not given, y2 is given, m2 is not given, y1 is given, m1 plus m2 is not given, but y is given as 0. Got it? So 5m1 minus 5m2, m1 plus m2 0 के साथ multiple. So you will get m1 by m2 5 by 5, it is equal to 1 is to 1. So ratio is 1 is to 1. You got the ratio. Now we have to find now x. So we will put appropriate values. X is equivalent to m1 is 1, x2 is given. Now you got how to find the value of x. So intersection point is p x comma y. So it is 0. So p यहाँ से आप निकालोगे क्या x. So वो बनेगा वो intersection point. Got it? So this was a simple question upon section formula. So we will do next question here. Now, if this point A 5 comma minus 3 and B it is 3 comma minus 3 comma 5 intersected by y axis. इससे पहले जो क्वेश्चन हमने किया उस that was intersected by x axis. Now this point lies on y axis. It means the line joining of A and B intersected by y axis. So we have to find the coordinates of this point. So we will definitely write P. यहाँ पे हमने क्या लिखा था P x, 0. यहाँ पे हम क्या लिखेंगे P 0, y. At x axis y is 0. At y axis x is 0. Definitely, yeah. So we will move here. We will write here. Let A 5 comma minus 3 and B minus 3 comma 5 are intersected by P 0 comma y on y axis. Similarly, we will find x1 y1. x1 is equivalent to, this is x1 y1, x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x comma y. So we will write here x1 is equivalent to 5, y1 is equivalent to minus 3. x2 is equivalent to minus 3, y2 is equivalent to 5. Xv is equivalent to 0, y we don't know. Also we don't know m1 and m2. We don't know m1 and m2 also. First off, follow the steps we have taken in previous question. हम वही steps का इस्तेमाल करेंगे यहाँ पे और इस question को हम solve करने की कोशिश करेंगे उन्हीं steps की बुनियाद पे. तो वो steps आपने याद रखी क्या है? सबसे पहले हम section formula साइड में रखेंगे यहाँ पे. It is section formula. So it is x is equivalent to m1 x1, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and y is equivalent to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Now moving ahead, here हम फायदा इसमें उठाएंगे किसका? x का. इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में हमने किसका उठाया था? y का, because y was given there 0. Using section formula, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 is equivalent to x. Here x is given 0. Now we will insert appropriate values, that is m1. We don't know what is x2. x2 is here minus 3 plus m2. m2 we don't know. What is x1? 5 divided by m1 plus m2 we don't know. So it is equivalent to minus 3m1 plus 5m2 is equivalent to 0. Multiple, cross multiple here. So we will write minus 3m1. We will write here minus 3m1 is equivalent to minus 5m2. Minus minus cancel. So m1 by m2 is equivalent to 5 by 3. Or we can write m1 is to m2 is equivalent to 5 is to 3. Now we got the ratio. Here we have to find the y. So y is equivalent to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. You are having now m1 and m2 here. And what is m1? That is 5. y2 is here 5. m2 is here 3. y1 is here minus 3. m1 plus m2 5 plus minus 3. Sorry, 5 plus 3. So y is equivalent to 25 minus 3 3's are 9 plus minus minus 5 plus 3 is 9. It is equivalent to 16 by 8. So x is equivalent to 2. Sorry, y is equivalent to, we are finding here y. Therefore, p0 comma y is equivalent to p0 comma 2. This is the point on y-axis which intersects line joining of A and B into the ratio of 5:3. This was all about some questions of section formula. Now we are having many more questions in this exercise 7.2. You can go through that book, you can go through that exercise and do many questions. And if you are having doubt in any question, you can in comments in Google Classroom of class 10th, you can have that question number, exercise number, and in next lecture or video we can have discussion on that very question. Got it? So in next lecture we will come up with this area of triangles, inshallah ta'ala. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.